something.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these pretty crimps with Nadula Hair. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved these, just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're already not, and give this video a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. So this video is not going to be like a voiceover or like a talk through. I'm just going to put the steps on the screen. All the details on this hair will be in the description box below. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to check that out. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this video. put the wig on a few minutes ago, and yeah, so it's actually kind of like still stuck together. I don't walk out the house with it just like this, but yeah, these are just how the crimps look. Real cute. But yeah, so after I put the wig on, I just do like this. I split it in half and I bring it up like this, and as you can see, like the back is already loose but the front isn't, so I'm gonna back up a little bit. So all I do is I just run my fingers through like this, and I don't use a comb or anything to run through them because it's gonna mess them up. And yeah, we don't want them to mess up. We want the crimps to be defined, but we don't want them, like, you know, stuck together, since we use that got to be glue on it. So yeah, I'm just gonna run my fingers through just to get the hair soft again. And yeah, so, and then this also makes the hair a little bit more, like, you know, fuller looking, because as you guys seen before, it was kind of like literally strands of crimped hair together, whatever. So yeah, I'm just running my fingers through. I do this for a good while, or until like I'm satisfied with how it looks, and I'm kind of satisfied. I'm almost satisfied. Yeah, I'm just running it just a little bit more. And I like the ones in the, like, I like the crimps in the front of my face to be more defined than, you know, I really don't care about the back of my hair, because yeah, the first thing people are going to see is the front of your face and the front of your hair. So yeah, this is pretty much how it's looking. Yeah, I think this is good enough. So yeah, this is pretty much how I put crimps in my hair. This is Nadula's body wave hair, their Brazilian body wave. As you guys can see, it does hold the crimps very well, and normally my crimps last probably, I would say, a day, only because I like to redo my crimps every time I want to wear crimps. Like after a while, they are going to start to fall and like be less defined than how they look right now. So yeah, I like mine real defined and real, like, you know what I'm saying, like, you know, I like them to look real cute and popping. And yeah, but as you guys can see, the hair is still soft and flowy even after I put the got to be glue spray on it. Like, it's still soft. It doesn't feel hard to the touch. So yeah, it just flows, and I'm just really loving this hair. So this is their 20-inch closure, 22-inch bundle, 24, 26, and 28 bundle. So yeah, it is really long. As you guys seen in my first video I did with them, y'all seen how long it was, but I'm about to show y'all again. So yeah, this is how long it's on me. It comes past my butt just a little bit. So if you guys are interested in this hair, all the details on it will be in the description box below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're already not, and thumbs up this video if you like these crimps. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.